Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install LineageOS 20, which is Android 13 on your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Exynos variant. So let's get started. So before we do this, keep in mind that all the data on your phone will be erased. So if you have any important things on the phone, better back it up. Also, you need to have your phone's bootloader unlocked and the TWRP recovery installed. If you don't know how to do it, I'll leave a link in the description to one of my videos where I have shown you how to do it. You can check it out. Once you have backed up all your data, we can continue. So first up, head over to the two links in the description down below and you will be taken to these pages. And I want to give a big thanks to Meler for maintaining support for bringing newer Android versions to our old phones. So over here, as you can see, his work over here: S7 Edge, S7, Note FE/7, S8, S8 Plus, Note 8. So that's really good. So our device over here is S7 Edge. If you have only the S7 model, you need to click here. Since mine is S7 Edge, I'm gonna click over here. And as you can see, there's a wide variety of LineageOS over here. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the LineageOS 20, which is Android 13. Again, I'm going to make another video on how to install the Android 14, which is LineageOS 21. So yeah, for now, you need to just click on the download Lineage text over here, and the download will immediately start. Next up is GApps or Google Apps. Once you have got these files, you can exit out of your browser. Now you need to copy these two files over to the phone, but since I have to use the internal storage to install the ROM, I might have to first format the phone in TWRP recovery and then copy the LineageOS and the GApp zip file. I don't know, I don't have any SD cards lying over here, and I also somehow lost my USB OTG connector. If you have a micro SD card or USB OTG, you can just straight away copy these files to them and then start installing. So let's jump over to our phone. Okay, so in your phone, again, this is the last chance for you guys. If you have anything important on your phone, better back it up. So to go into the TWRP recovery mode, you have to first switch off your phone and then press and hold the volume up button, the power button and the home button all at the same time until you see the TWRP logo. My phone is already switched off. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the volume up button, the power button and the home button all at the same time. Hold them until you see the TWRP logo. And there you go, now you can let go of them. Okay, so once you are in TWRP recovery, first you need to tap on wipe, advanced wipe, check these boxes: Dalvik/ART cache, system, data, internal storage, cache, and then swipe to wipe. Come back again, tap on format data, type in the word yes and then hit the tick mark. Now again, come back to the TWRP recovery home screen, tap on reboot, tap on recovery. Now we wait for the phone to boot back into the recovery mode. Okay, we are back in recovery. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to tap on install and then browse to where you have stored the LineageOS zip file and the GApps zip file. So like I said, I don't have any other SD cards and USB OTG, so I have to copy it to my internal storage. So let me just do that real quick. So I'm gonna tap on install. First tap on LineageOS 20 zip file, then tap add more zips, and then tap on the NIC GApps core zip file, and then swipe to confirm the flash. Now we wait for the flashing process to complete. Okay, looks like the flashing process went perfectly. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on home button over here, go to wipe, tap on format data, type in the word yes, hit the tick mark, and then that's it. You need to tap on reboot system. Now the phone will boot into the LineageOS. The first boot will take some time, so be patient. Okay, so looks like it's booted into the operating system. So let me just finish the setup real quick. And would you look at that, we have LineageOS 20, which is Android 13 on our Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Oh, look at how snappy it is. So let me show you in the settings. And as you can see, Android version 13 over here. So yeah guys, that's how you install Android 13, which is LineageOS, on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.